Hey everyone, Thomas here at mgmclassiccars.com, and I have this 1966 Ford Mustang that's been fully restored from top to bottom. The entire drivetrain, fuel system, and electrical system. Everything on my Mustang works. Everything, as it should. As you can see, this beautiful 2005 color off a 2005 model Mustang. It's got this, I don't know if it's peach, maroonish, I don't know, but God, the color is beautiful. Beautiful Cragar wheels, nice chrome all around the car, all the emblems, all of the bezels. Windows are nice on the car along the glass, the stainless steel trim around the windows, dual exhaust, as you can see. Underneath is simply gorgeous and clean, fully restored, like I said. The doors need to be aligned a little bit better, in my opinion. All the weather stripping is brand new on the car. So is the interior. Front power disc brake, power steering. Look at that. Look at that paint job. Beautiful recent paint job. Look how clean this is underneath. Ready for car shows, long cruises, whatever you want. Power steering, power disc brakes, no overheating issues. I put 100 miles on this car and it's a no issue car. Wing windows, obviously very famous in the Mustangs. You got your driver's side sport mirror. Trunk is solid as can be. Beautiful interior. Center hump has been added with the 4-speed top loader. Wooden steering wheel, all new gauges, dash pad, door panels, rockers, back seat, headliner, door, the floor mats. Everything on this car is just beautiful. I'm gonna fire it up, and then I am on a little hill here. Car shows 27,408 miles. I was told less than 1,000 miles on the restoration. All right. What we're gonna do is roll down the hill. Then I'll fire it up. Like I said earlier, everything works on the car. Your radio, you can plug it in right to your phone. All the heat defrost works there. Let's listen to this baby. There you have it, folks. Fully restored 66 Mustang, ready to go. There's nothing to do to this car at all. I'm going to attempt to drive this and hold the camera and shift the gear at the same time and talk to you. Brakes work great on the Pony. Power steering works great as well. If you guys want to come in and check this car out for yourself, I'm by the Chicago O'Hare Airport, about 20 minutes and about an hour from Midway Airport. Shifts through the gears nice and easy. Clutch feels great. No overheating issues whatsoever. Everything's you guys are watching this on YouTube, click the bottom right hand button on the subscribe button. If you're watching this on Facebook, like it, share it. If you guys need financing is available. If your credit score is a 620 to a 720, you'll need 10% down. If your credit score is over 720, no money down loans are available, delivered right to your driveway. If you need delivery, call me, text me, email me your zip code, and I'll get you a quote. It's usually $1,000 to $1,500 in anywhere in the country because we are centrally located. No weird noises driving down the road. Doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. Just a pleasure to drive. If you're looking for something really nice that needs nothing, then this is it. If you're looking to save a little money and buy something less expensive, it's definitely going to need some work. This one is ready to go. So, if you want to see photos, go to mgmclassiccars.com for all your photos. Very reliable, drive it across the country. My name is Thomas. I can be reached at area code 847-848-1850. And I would like to say thank you for watching at mgmclassiccars.com, spending your time with me. This particular Mustang has no exterior damage. It's been repainted in a really nice paint job. Interior is mint. Underneath is super nice, no rust whatsoever, and it's very reliable, runs and drives excellent. Call me, text me at 847-848